Okay. Hi, hi guys. Daghang salamat sa mga nag-follow, nag-subscribe sa akong math tutorial page o math tutorial nga YouTube channel. Daghang kayong salamat. I truly appreciate it so much. Pwede niyo siya ma-share sa inyong mga friends, inyong mga manghod, mga silingan. Like those who have difficulty in understanding mathematics, no? Pwede mo maka-request on any topics nga atong himuan og tutorial nga video. Okay? So today po, I'll be making a tutorial video, no? This is requested by my former student, no? So, gusto niya na gagawa ako ng tutorial video about simplifying rational expressions. Okay? So, now, in rational expressions class, the first objective here is on how to reduce rational expressions to its lowest terms. Now, if we could still recall, diba? Kung sa elementary pa tayo or sa in our lower years, we can say that this fraction, like 2/4, can be reduced to its lowest term. How do we do that? No? By simply try to factor the numerator and then the denominator, no? Then cancel the common factors. That is 2 ilang common, and that is just equivalent to 1/2, no? Meaning to say, the reduced form of 2/4 is 1/2. Okay? The same as the rational expression class, no? Okay. It says here that rational expressions are reduced to lowest terms or simplified if the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1 or negative 1. Ibig sabihin, makasulti rata na reduce na ang rational expression kung wala na dyan common sa numerator o denominator. Klaro? Klaro na ha? Na ma-reduce na siya or simplified na siya kung wala na dyan common ang numerator o denominator. So, klaro mo kayo na masabtan yun na kabisaya dyan na, okay? Okay. Now, we have here some steps to work, no? In reducing rational expression. Number 1, factor the numerator and denominator completely. So, we need to factor the numerator and the denominator para makita nato, no, kung unsa ba kay common sa numerator o denominator. Okay? Number 2, cancel or divide out the common factors in the numerator and then the denominator. So, mo na itong purpose. Atos lang i-factor first. Factor na to, pangitaon na itong factor sa numerator o denominator. Then, ato din pangitaon kung unsay common nila, i-cancel na to. Okay? So, kung wala na tayong ma-cancel, meaning to say, na-reduce na nato to its lowest terms. So, klaro? Okay. So, ato na siyang i-apply diri sa itong mga examples. Okay? The instruction is reduce the rational expressions to its lowest terms. Okay, number 1. We are given 12a squared over 3a to the power of 6. Okay? So, again, we are given 12a squared over 3a to the power of 6. So, unsa gitong first step? We need to what? Factor the numerator and then the denominator. Okay? So, tanaw na to first si 12 og 3. So, unsa kay common factors nila? Klaro kay nga 3, no? So, here, we can write 12 as 3 times 4. While 3 here is 3 times 1. Correct? Then, how about for the variable a squared and a6? Now, nakaagi naman ta sa integer exponents. Correct? Pwede po nato to i-apply sa integer exponents direct. Okay. Now, klaro kay that this is a squared. We just copy a squared para dali lang siya tinamban. Now, a to the power of 6 man siya. Ato siya may factor sa equivalent to a squared times a to the power of 4. Okay? Kumbaga, gibungkag nato si a to the 6 like this. Because they have the same base, A. Diba? Ito lang i-add ilang exponents. So, 2 plus 4 is 6. So, the same na siya, ani. Now, try to look at the right side of the equation. Klaro na kaya niya, makita na nato ang common in numerator o denominator, correct? So, from here, we can cancel out 3, correct? How about A squared? A squared. So, what is that? Kung sinabihin sa ibabaw, you only have 4. Sa denominator, 1 times a to the 4th is a to the 4th. And this is the answer. Okay? Simple na kayo siya, class, no? Guys, no? Simple na kayo. Okay. Now, another example. Number 2. Okay? You are given 7x squared y to the 5th over 21x to the 5th y cubed. Okay. In our first example, we only have a variable a. While in number 2, we have already now two variables x and y na, no? So, now, first is, you look 7 and 21. So, klaro kayo nga na ay common si 21 and si 7, which is 7, okay? So, meaning to say, we can write the factors of 7 as 7 times 1, while si 21 is 7 times 3. Okay? Then, now look at the variable x. We have x squared and x to the 5th. Gamay man sa x squared, so you just copy x squared. Then, i-factor niya po na to sa x to the 5th. Kumbaga, bungkago na to. Nga ang isa niya ka-factor is x squared. So, you have now x squared times x cubed. Correct? Because, x squared times x cubed is x to the 5th. Ato na biyang i-add ilang exponent. 2 plus 3 is 5, right? Okay, let us continue. For the variable y, you have y to the 5th and y cubed. So, y cubed ang gamay. So, we just copy y cubed. Then, we will factor y to the 5th. Dapat na siya kapareha y cubed. So, we can write y cubed times y squared. Okay, in other words, kani siya si y cubed times y squared is just equal to y to the 5th because you just simply add their exponents. Okay? So, at this point, makakancel na dayon ta, no? Makita na nato unsay common nga factor sa numerator o denominator, right? So, makita na nato. Na-isolate common na 7, so we can cancel out. Okay, how about the x squared? We can cancel out. And, what else? Y cubed, we can cancel out. So, kung saan nabilin sa taas, 1 times y squared, you have y squared. All over, 3 times x cubed, you have 3x cubed. Okay, that's it. So, klaro kayo sa final answer, wala na sila yung common. No? Naklaro na to? I really hope natin nasabtan, no, sa first two examples na to. So, we are now on our example number 3. Okay? So, we are given negative 36r s to the 6 t to the 7 over 30r s to the 7 t to the 6. Okay? So, again, we will look for the common factors of these numbers 36 and 30. Okay? So, 36, we can say that its factors are negative 6 times 6. Okay? Then while 30, you have 6 times 5. Okay. For r, you have r. We just copy r. No? Unya lang ta mag-cancel para ituwa na to. For s to the 6 and s to the 7, gamay man si s to the 6, so we just copy s to the 6. While we factor s to the 7, ato siyang bungkagon as s to the 6 times s. No? Because s to the 6 times s, that is equal to s to the 7. Right? For the variable t, you have t to the power of 7 over t to the power of 6. So, kani, mas gamay siya og exponent. So, kana siya itong i-copy t to the power of 6. While in the numerator, we will factor that one as t to the power of 6 times t. Okay? So, at this point, makita na nato atong pwede i-cancel nga pareha sa numerator o denominator. Okay? So, klaro kayo, we can cancel 6. Okay? for the variable r, of course, for s to the 6, then t to the power of 6 and t to the power of 6. So, unsa na nabilin? We have negative 6 sa taas, then t. Correct? T na lang din ang variable sa taas, no? Over 5, then s. Okay. So, we have negative 6t over 5s. So, simple na kay class, no? Okay. So, kani mga simple na siyang 1, 2, 3. Now, in number 4, we will apply again factoring, no? You are given 2x minus 4 over x squared minus 4. So, again, atong step, we need to factor the numerator and then the denominator. Okay. Now, try to observe the numerator. This is a binomial. So, all you need to do is to factor out their common between 2x and 4. So, di ba? Sa atong first nato nga type of factoring, the greatest common factor, no? You remove out 2, then x, na lang din siya, minus 2. Okay? Paro ka siya, no? Kaya ang common nila is 2. So, if you check, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Right? So, we factored out 2 over. Now, look at the denominator. This is difference of 2 squares. X squared minus 4. Diba? Unsa kito yung factor, ana? Difference of 2 squares? You have x minus 2 times x plus 2. Okay? So, klaro na ka, hayag na kaayo. Makita na nato ang common sa numerator o denominator. So, here we could cancel x minus 2. So, what is left? You have 2 over x plus 2. Okay? Dali na kayo siya class, no? Okay. Dapat lang, Jude, mamaster na to ang factoring, no? Para dali na kayo ta maka-reduce. Well, number 5, we are given x squared minus y squared over x squared plus xy. Again, look at the numerator. This is difference of 2 squares. Mamanguro niya ang formula, no? Sa uban book, that is equal to x plus y times x minus y over, okay. Unsa may common sa x squared ug xy? Say common? Common nila is katong di na nimo gusto balikan, x. So you have x. Then what is left? You have x plus y. Okay? So klaro kay we remove out the variable x. So at this point, makita na din nato unsay common sa numerator ug denominator. No? Klaro kay ang common nila is x plus y. So makancel nato si x plus y. So what is left? Klaro kay you just copy x minus y over x. Are we true? Of course, mananataani. Basin mamataka mo og cancel ha sa x, dili na. Mao na ni siya yang reduced form. Okay? So, I hope, simple pa man yung example. So, we have number 6. You have here y squared minus 4y plus 4 over y squared minus 4. Now, try to look at the numerator. This is y squared minus 4y plus 4. Okay, also may factor, anak. This is what? Difference of 2 squares? No. Unsa man? Na type sa factoring. We have the perfect square trinomial, no? By just looking at 4, what is the square root of 4? 2. So that is y minus 2 times y minus 2. Okay? How about the denominator? This is difference of 2 squares. Y squared minus 4, so you need to factor that one. Y minus 2 times y plus 2. So that is why, yung ko sa inyo, mag-review jud mo sa inyong factoring, no? Kaya dali na jud kay siya mag-answer ani kung ma-master na to sa factoring. So, maklaro na to ilang common, y minus 2. So what is left? Y minus 2 over y plus 2. That's it. Simple na kay siya, guys, no? Basta lang na dumduman pa nato ang factoring nato nga knowledge, no? So again, I will give you another examples to that. Simple pa man siya. Start dito sa simple na example, then padulong to sa mga, again, challenging na mga problems. No? Okay? I thought wala mo na challenge, ani. So, example number 7. You have x squared minus x minus 6 over x squared plus x minus 2. Okay. Muna siya ang challenging na part. Okay. Sa numerator, denominator, you will use the trial and error method sa factoring. No? Klaro kayo, x squared minus x minus 6. So, what are the possible factors of the numerator? Sa kaya nga, pwede na ito ikuan. We could have here, by using the trial and error method sa factoring, you have x plus 2 times x minus 3, correct? Because 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, right? Then negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. So we are correct. Kaya how about in the denominator? So dali na kayo ng factor ni negative 2, correct? So klaro kayo. So you have x plus 2 times x minus 1. Because 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 2 minus 1 is positive 1. So, dali na kayo. Then, makita na natin ilang common, which is x plus 2. So, therefore, the reduced form is x minus 3 over x minus 1. So, dali na dyan kayo. Giigang ko. Grabe kay kaigang ba? Okay. What else? I'll just give you another example. Murag ako may giigangan. Nakasabot ta? Sabta na to? So, mga example. Sige, another example. Karon lang na. You have example number 8. T squared minus 3t minus 28 over t squared minus 4t minus 21. Again, basta may nanaani nga polynomial, you will use the trial and error method sa factoring, no? So, by just looking at the last term, diri, negative 28. So, what are the possible factors of negative 28? No, makuha po natin si negative 3. So, we can use, so katong mga master na mag-factoring, you have t minus what? 7 times t plus 4. Check na to. Negative 7 times 4 is negative 28. Negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. So, we are correct. How about the denominator? So, negative 21 man siya. So, klaro kayo nga na ay 7, no? So, t minus 7 times t plus 3. I-check na to. Negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. Negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. So, dali lang kayo siya. Now, we can cancel out t minus 7. So, therefore, you have t plus 4 over t plus 3. That's it. Okay. Diri sa tataman. And, again, thank you kaayo sa mga nag-request o topics nga atong i-discuss. Salamat po sa mga nag-like, nag-share sa kaning tutorial na po nga Facebook page. Salamat kayo sa nga tanan. Hoping na mag-request Japon mo mga topic para mabuhatan natin tutorial video. Okay? Tagang salamat. Bye-bye.